YouTube. Today we're going to be making slime. So, you want to grab Elmer's glue. This is my glue. I'm going to pour it in. Then, optional, sparkles. I'm just deciding to put some sparkles in. Then, also optional, color. Just going to put some color in. Just crackle it in. You can use paint, but acrylic paint doesn't really work that well. It works, but it kind of dries out pretty quick. Now, optional shaving foam. This part, it can make fluffy slime. Also, depends on how big your slime is. Baking soda, just a tiny bit. Mix. If you put your color in, make sure your color looks good. Well, good enough that the way you want it. I chose green because I like green. Green's my favorite color. If you don't know that about me, really you don't know me. Contact lens solution. Renew is the best brand you can get. Mix. It's going to start to come together like this. As you can see, don't mind the barking if you can hear it. That's just my dog. I suck at mixing this stuff. I'm trying to mix it so that the camera is focused on it. And don't add too much contact lens solution because otherwise your slime won't stretch. And the more you add, the less sticky it gets.